Hello there, in this video I will show you unknown apps cannot be installed on Samsung phone or how to give permission to install apps from unknown source in Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out Security and Privacy. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Auto Blocker. Turn off these options if you found it's on. Move back and tap on More Security Settings. Tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now allow the permissions to install unknown application from any source. For example, I am turning on Google Chrome here. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then open your Play Store. Tap on Play Protect. Tap on the gear icon. Now turn off both of options. Now you can easily install application from unknown source on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching.